Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. This setup is super useful for tracking your website visitors, conversions, and events more efficiently. So let's get started. First, make sure you already have both accounts created, one in Google Analytics and another in Google Tag Manager. Now, open your Google Tag Manager dashboard and select the container you use for your website. On the left sidebar, click on Tags, then hit New. Click on Tag Configuration, and from the list, choose Google Analytics GA4 Configuration. Now, open another tab and go to Google Analytics. In your property, click on Admin. Then, under the Property column, select Data Streams. Choose your website data stream, and you'll see a measurement ID that starts with G-. Copy that ID. Go back to Google Tag Manager and paste this measurement ID into the field labeled Measurement ID. Below, in the settings, make sure Send a Page View event when this configuration loads is checked. Next, scroll down and click Triggering. Choose the trigger called All Pages. This ensures Analytics tracks all page visits across your website. Once done, click on Save. Now click on Submit in the top right corner, give your version a name like Added GA4 Tag, and then click on Publish. To test if everything works, return to Google Analytics, go to Admin, then Debug View, and visit your site in another tab. If your setup is correct, you'll start seeing real-time page view data appear almost instantly. And that's it! You've successfully connected Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. Now you can manage your website tracking directly from one place without editing your site's code every time. Subscribe the channel for more videos.